Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix start menu or taskbar is not responding. If you're using Windows 10 or 11 and you're facing the issue that your start menu or your taskbar is not responding or you're unable to open any app from your taskbar, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to Task Manager, just press the button here or go to search if you're unable to use your task manager. So you can press Control plus Alt plus Escape key to open Windows Task Manager. I'm going to search. So once you are in Task Manager, here you will see File Explorer, or you can also open your File Explorer. And here, when you will see Windows Explorer, just right click on it and then click on Restart. So once you have restarted, it will completely refresh your desktop, your task manager, and also your Windows Start button. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to wait for at most a few moments. Sometimes it might be a software issue or an glitch, so it can be easily fixed by waiting some moments. Or if it's not fixing or if it's telling again and again, so you can go to search and here just search for cmd, open command prompt as run as administrator. So I'm gonna run it as administrator, right click on it and run as administrator, click yes. Now in this section you just have to enter a command which is sfc space slash scan now. Once you have entered, just press enter from your keyboard and it will start a system scan. It will completely scan your system, so if there will be any corrupted file in your system or any cracked file, it might be fixed in this step, and after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.